Your calls rend the air, echoing several times between the snow-cold Himalayan peaks. Those who covet your elusive beauty stay alert. This is how you bring the warmth of harmless expectations in these elevations, even before showing up. The most advanced apes crouch and lie low and hunch over after an eternity of waiting. A delirium of camera shutter sounds announces your presence. How oblivious you are to all this attention, somewhat like the idea of gods that some of us apes have made for ourselves, only somewhat realer, because you do sometimes show up.